This is your task list. Okay. If you simply just use this command, you will see all the applications which is currently running on your system. Okay. And in that you can you see that I'm running Zoom over here? Can you see that I'm running CMD over here? All these are your process ID. All these are your process ID. What exactly you can see directly over here, right? If you run any application, let's say that I'm opening in Notepad application. Okay, so simply this application I have opened from command prompt. And now if I want to see the process ID of this Notepad application, so simply just I will type the task list command. And at the very last, I can see.
You are operating Zoom in mobile phone or in laptop, sir?
There is your laptop machine. Okay, so this is your notepad.exe over here. And you can see the process ID is what? What is the process ID?
6832.
6832, right? So what exactly I can do, see, this is my application which is running on the background. See that this is the application and this is having the process ID. I can simply just it from here, right? I can simply just close this application by using task kill command. Okay. So task list you can use in order to list the process which is running on your system. And you can use the PID option with the task kill command to kill that particular process. So this is your 6832. What exactly I can kill it directly from the command prompt itself. I don't have to use Control Alt and delete and process. Okay, that approach I don't have to use. Process ID, I can simply just do it directly from the command line itself. And when I simply just press enter, can you see this notepad application is gone, right?
Again, task list.
So what exactly message you are getting?
Same time in success. Termination signal to the process PID.
It has been
Right.
killed.
The task.
Personal identification.
So this is your process ID. Okay. So this command, what exactly you can use? Next screenshot. This is the last screenshot, everyone. Task kill. And lastly, we are having this command. Okay, trace it. Now trace it stands for what?
Trace
root.
root.
Okay. So for what reason we are using this trace root? So
network
using this
connection,
command,
network administration.
Administration can trace the route a packet takes before reaching its destination and along the route.
along the route. For example, if you are located, let's say that this is your PC. This PC is connected to one router. This is your router 1. Then it is connected to another router. This is your router 2. Then it is connected to another router. This is your router 3. Then it is connected to another router. This is your router 4. This particular server machine over here. And this is your server. So when this is the system, when this PC is sending any packet, when this packet is getting sent, then first of all, who will receive it? Then router 1 will send it to who?
Router
2. Then router 2 will send it to who?
Router 3.
Then router 3 will send it to who?
Router 4.
And router 4 will send it to
Server.
right? Yes or no? So how many devices? How many devices this packet is crossing? From here.
4.
Sir, what is packet?
Information. The information you were sending, right?
No, information is called packet.
Information, that is your data. From your PC to server. This is your sending it in terms of packet. Okay.
Okay.
So how many machines it is crossing? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Then finally it is going to this particular server machine, correct? This is
Yes,
what
sir.
you are having. You are using this tracer. Tracer is used for that, figuring out how your packet is moving from one device to another device and reaching this ultimate server. Okay. This is what exactly you are having the example for it. Let me just trace. Use the tracer command, and let's say www.google.com. If I simply just use the tracer, can you see that it is started tracing? This is the first device it is crossing. Just wait. Okay, maximum 30 number of devices you can trace right now. So this is the second device, third device, fourth, then total how many devices my packet is crossing right now? 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. 6, right? Okay.
Yes.
Then it is still going. The packet is still going. So simply just wait. This is the seventh, right? This is the eighth. Then just wait. This is your first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so right now you can see that it has reached the destination over here. Trace is complete, right?
So how we identify that it's troubleshooting problem?
So if you are not getting, if you are having some issues like accessing google.com server, then this particular machine IP address, you can see this is the same address, right? Over here, it is this address, you will never get the trace. If there is some problem, then you will never see this particular line. Always you will see that something in the middle, it is coming, and after that it is not going. Okay, over here. This many number of devices information you will never see if there is a problem in this server. Okay, if there is full connectivity, means if you can reach the Google server without any issues, at the time only you will see of the trace, always it is similar, same. Getting my point? Is it the
Yes,
same
sir.
address or different address? No,
Same
right?
address.
It is the same address, it's not different. Okay, but if it is not working, if there is a problem, okay, in the internet communication, this is when you will never see this message and this message coming as same address. Always you will see that this address is different and this address is different, and which clearly indicates that there's a problem on internet. Understood? This is what you were having the commands. Okay, so to insert, either you can use the IP address or you can use the name. Okay, it's the same like your ping command. Either you can use the ping, the name, and the ping and the IP address. Okay, both ways you can use it. This is the most useful commands what exactly we are using. Okay, in Google, like we're using Google in CMD, and ping, tracer. Okay, all these commands actually are very much used in networking. So simply just go ahead and do all these configurations. Okay, practice all these commands properly, and make sure that you are comfortable. Okay, doing the configurations. This is important, everyone, because when you are working in the organization, this is when you are going to use all these commands. Okay. Just hold on. Let me just take the screenshots. Okay, all of you. So I will see you guys in the next session. Okay, the DHCP and DNS. This is the two concepts what we are covering in the next session. Okay, so bye and take
Sir,
care.
sir, one question I have.
Tell me.
Sir, just use this traceset command for google.com. So at this time also our OSI means OSI or
Everything
TCP
is working.
IP model came
Yes,
into
TCP
picture in the
IP is
background.
working now because you are sending packets, right? You are sending data.
So, sir, in this case, this data is getting sent. Only this www.google.com is getting translated into bits.
That is correct. That is correct. This is our data, right? This is our request.
Okay.
And we are using this tracer tool. This is a tool, okay, available to trace the path information of what exactly your packet is taking to reach the destination. Okay, tracer is nothing but just a tool, but this is our actual request. Our request is to trace the google.com. This is the server machine we are tracing, www.
So this is our data, correct?
That is correct.
And sir, another thing is like where this OSI model means layer used to reside, means on our computer or on every
On our
network device?
system, on our system, on our system, on the operating
Only
system.
on our system.
On the operating system, yes.
Okay. And what about this networking device? There also it used to present, or?
Yes, yes, yes. Every single hardware what we are using is run through operating system, right? Your OSI itself is residing within the operating system of your hardware device. Without like what software, can we run hardware? No, right? Every single hardware is run through softwares, right?
Yes.
So this is
No,
why exactly.
like we are. Yes. I'm saying like we are using networking device in between our network, correct?
Yes.
So like router is there. So in router also OSI model will be present.
That is correct. That is correct. Because these layers, what exactly we are discussing, right? These are present at the operating system level. At the operating system of your like what of your laptop, PC, okay, router, switches, these like layers are working at the OS level. Okay, so it is always it is there.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so everyone, bye and take care. I'll see you guys in the next session.
Sir.
Yes, in the next. So simply just like what, ask your questions in the next session. Okay, bye and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.